pattern with another excuse me, sorry. My background is going to be basil cardstock. Oh. Alright, so that circular pattern is Pinkfresh Studio Office Hours, called Hard Work. And this picture is when I went to first grade. Mateo was my first year teaching first grade. Mateo was in first grade. So when we would have on half days where the kids get out at 12 instead of 2, we have what's called STEM days, and that's where we devote our day to, most of our day, to science experiments, and we base them on our current math or science standards. So we, speaking of that, I gotta find my animal measurement thing. I gotta figure out what I'm doing because we have a STEM day coming up. Anyway, so we, I'm showing you Ginger asleep beside me. Anyway, so she, and he, but anyway, so we switch classes. So on half days, he would get to come and spend 30 minutes with me in the room, and he looked forward to those times, as silly as it sounds. So anyway, the rainbow pattern is Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. Sorry. The word print is Jen Hadfield. This is family. And I'm going to use a green pattern for my photo mat, which is also Jen Hadfield. This is family. And yes, you know what? I'm not going to. I would have gotten more use out of the word print than I would have the cards, because I end up cutting the cards apart saying, hey, I'm going to use these, and then I don't. Which I need to start using my Project Life cards, because I got a lot of those too. It's just I only have one. And so I'm like, oh no, if I use all of that core kit, then I'll be all out. So I did at Tuesday Morning Find, which I should see if they have any more Project Life, but I did get the Midnight and the Sunshine, which I couldn't remember if I had those ones or not, but I do. So now I can use those 2 kits, and I'll still have them left in my stash. I don't know, I should use the older Project Life, because I have the Coral kit, Core kit, the Sunshine, the Maggie Holmes, I have many. Alright, so I'm working. My goodness. Alright, so now I'm going to start embellishing. Coco! Oh, my Lanta. I don't know what she's barking at, but... Alright, so the dimensional stickers and regular stickers. are Pink Fresh Studio office hours. I have a pile of books. There's a few stickers that I do get from my stash, which came from past Hip Kit Clubs kits. And so see, there's this is just the die cuts. Well, actually, they got mixed because I had them in cups and Ginger dropped them. So I had them separated from stickers to die cuts to clear embellishments, wood embellishments, more of the specialty type and die cuts embellishments. And they got mixed up. So over Thanksgiving break, Michael's had the colored drawers, the 10 drawers, the 10 drawer colored carts. They can be on wheels, but I didn't put them on wheels because they would be too high to fit under my desk. So on either side of where I sit. And so they had them on sale for $25 a piece. So I got two, so that way I could put them in there. But I have currently re-separated them. So now all the stickers are in one drawer and die cuts in another, and yeah. So now I have everything. I have a lot of storage room because I have the white drawers and stuff that I purchased from Michael's, and then I have cubes with cloth drawers as well. But I wanted the stuff. I don't need to get up out of my chair to go get my stuff. Most of it's there. I did take my Sizzix die cuts or embossing folders out of my drawers in my closet with my Sizzix machine, hoping I will use those a little more as well. So anyway, so I'm just still doing my embellishing. And that light bulb, I believe, is from my oh, sorry. So I believe that light bulb is past Hip Kit. I think most of those stickers there off to my, or are those from the office hours? It might be from the office hours, but they look like something from a past kits. Oh, yeah, that's office hours there. No, it's not. It don't look like it anyway. There's office hours. That's the chipboard. Perhaps those are the stickers. And then I have the Dear Lizzie Frey stickers that I'm not sure if I use. We'll see. Yep, I guess I use one. Oh boy. All right, Coco. And then I'm going to get to my title, which is right here. So goals this is from Past Kit, and right, so it is from American Crest High Five Thickers, and then we have excuse me, then we will have the 1 grade is American Crafts Max Thickers. The ST in first is American Crafts Main Squeeze Thickers. STEM, which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math, is American Crafts Stay Tuned Thickers. And then Day is Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours. And when I have a longer title, I like to do a variety of fonts and colors. And yeah, that's just how I like that. Makes it stand out a little bit more, I guess, than just doing it just one, all of the same. So anyway, so there we go. First, and then grade, STEM, day. And so once I get my title done, that's going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.